Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from The Hindu newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is Unresolved India-China Boundaries Affecting Ties, says General Naravani. Now see, the background is what exactly is the issue. Let us understand the background first. India and China share a very long border in the Himalayas, but here's the problem. The border is not clearly marked or agreed upon by both sides. The unclear boundary is called the Line of Actual Control, LAC, and former Army Chief General Manoj Mukund said the India-China boundary is still unresolved. This is the main reason for the tensions between the two countries. It can be solved, but only through dialogue and discussion, not force. Now, boundary versus border. What's the difference? India and Bangladesh, there is a border. Now, see, which is clearly agreed and marked on the map. India and China, there's a boundary which is LAC and which is not clearly defined. Both sides have different perceptions on it. Because of this confusion, soldiers sometimes patrol overlapping areas. This leads to clashes like the Galwan Valley clash in the 2020. See, now let us talk about the chicken's neck. Again, it is a very important choke point of India's. Okay, so what exactly is the chicken's neck and why is it important? The chicken's neck is a narrow strip of land in the West Bengal called the Siliguri corridor, and in this corridor it is only about 20 to 22 kilometers wide. Why it is important? It connects mainland India to Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, entire northeast India. And if this corridor is cut off, northeast gets disconnected from India, it becomes a huge security threat. China is present in Tibet, which is close to Arunachal Pradesh, has strong ties with Pakistan West. So India must be very careful about this sensitive region because China has also shown our states in its own map as well. Now there are multiple dimensions of the topic. First dimension is the security dimension, frequent military standoffs, infrastructure race along LAC, risk of escalation. Then there is a geopolitical dimension. China-Pakistan nexus, CPEC, India's role in Quad, Indo-Pacific competition. Then there is an economic dimension to this. Despite the tensions, China is one of India's biggest trading partners. Trade imbalance in China favors China's favor. Then there is a diplomatic dimension as well. Several agreements exist on to maintain peace, but trust deficit remains. Dialogue mechanisms continue. And there is a strategic geopolitical dimension. Himalayas act as a natural barrier, but modern roads and military tech reduce that protection. Arunachal Pradesh and Ladakh are key flashpoints. Now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this topic. This becomes highly relevant for GS paper 2 international relations, GS paper 3 security, GS paper 1 geography, and for essay also this becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.